Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Are you tired of spending all your free time cleaning? Imagine a spotless home that practically stays clean on its own. Today, I'm sharing secret hacks for keeping your home looking fresh and tidy without constant cleaning. Stick around and let's dive right in. On-screen text, declutter to reduce mess. First up, decluttering. One of the biggest secrets to a spotless home is having less stuff. When your surfaces are clear, there's just less to clean up. Go room by room, especially in high traffic areas, and remove anything that doesn't serve a purpose. Storage baskets and hidden organizers are perfect for keeping essentials without the mess. Section 2. Create daily mini habits. Next is a game changer, mini habits. Take just 5 to 10 minutes each day to do small tasks. Make the bed, wipe the kitchen counters, and fluff the pillows. These tiny habits might seem small, but they keep your home feeling put together and save you from deep cleaning later. Section 3. Use smart tools to make cleaning easier. Let's talk about cleaning tools. Investing in smart tools like a robot vacuum, self-cleaning mop, or microfiber dusters can make a huge difference. These gadgets work hard, so you don't have to. Robot vacuums are especially great for staying on top of dust and crumbs every day without lifting a finger. Here's another secret. Choose materials that are easy to maintain. For instance, glass and laminate surfaces, leather or faux leather furniture, and metal fixtures are easier to wipe down and keep clean. It's a simple way to minimize cleaning time in the long run. Now, the 1-minute rule. If a task takes a minute or less, do it right away. Whether it's putting away shoes, wiping up a quick spill, or sorting mail, these mini tasks add up and prevent clutter from building up around the house. A clean smell makes a home feel spotless. Natural air fresheners like essential oil diffusers or homemade potpourri simmering on the stove make a big difference. Fresh scents add that extra layer of cleanliness without any effort. And here's a final hack that's a game changer. A nightly reset. Take 5 to 10 minutes before bed to put things back in their place, like folding blankets, straightening pillows, or loading the dishwasher. You'll wake up to a neat home, which helps start the day stress-free. And there you have it, some secret hacks for a spotless home without constantly cleaning. Try these tips and let me know in the comments which hack you'll try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Everyday Hacks, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more smart tips for everyday life. See you next time.